Yes. So, good morning, students. Yesterday we did the chapter number 8, reading of chapter My Silly Sister. Yes, please pay attention. My Silly Sister. Okay. You read about the story, Anna? And today we are going to do the new word dictation words and make sentences of the same. Okay. So everyone knows about the story. Okay, what story is there? This is the story of a brother who explained the behavior of his younger sister who is very young, very small, childish, who is very childish. Hai na? What do you mean by childish? Behave like small kids. Behave. Small kids to obviously behave like small kids. Hai na? But sometimes the elder children also, the big children also, they also behave in the same manner. Then we say he's behaving childishly. Childish. He's very childish. And childish is an adjective. Okay, it's an adjective. Yesterday also I had explained. Okay, what is the what part of speech is it? I always tell you adjective है कि verb है कि क्या है. Okay, I always tell you. Okay, बच्चे चलिए. Now we are going to start with dictation words. First word I am going to explain. Everyone online student please pin my screen because some problem is there in setting. तो मेरी स्क्रीन को पिन कर लीजिए प्लीज. Only 2 students are there. Darshil and Radhya, please pin my screen. Darshil and Radhya, please pin my screen. Okay? Have you pinned? Radhya? Show me like this if you have pinned. Otherwise, fine. Yes. Otherwise, you are not muted. In between, you can ask anything. Okay? Please, everyone, please. Chaliye, bache. The first word is childish. First word is childish. So, write this heading, day, date. Please write this, all the things. Okay? Date, yes. Day, date should be mentioned. On every notebook, day, date should be mentioned. Okay? Okay? And proper heading should be there. Chapter number 8, My Silly Sister. Then, your dictation words. On the first page, you will be writing dictation words. Okay? On second page, we will be doing make sentences. Dictation words. The first word is childish. As I had explained, childish. Yes, please, bache. Childish. C-H-I-L-D. Childish. I-S-H-ish. Okay, childish. It's a kind of behavior. Quality we कह सकते हैं. क्योंकि quality sometimes good quality, sometimes bad quality. If it is small, then good quality. If it is the child is younger or okay elder, then it's a bad quality. Young, not younger, but young. Young. ना समझी बचपना, ना समझी नादा, immature. Okay, childish. It's an adjective. Okay, C-H-I-L-D-I-S-H. In between, I will take around so that to see whether you are writing or not. Please keep your notebook here. No problem. No problem. Not having this one. Beta, one shop is there. Okay, keep it down here. Okay. Then number 2 is pebble. Pebble. Please tell me the spelling. P. Okay. Small stones. Pebbles उसको बोलते हैं. Small size stones होते हैं ना, उनको बोलते हैं. Those stones are called pebbles. Small stones. Okay, pebbles. Okay. Then third is dirty. It's a noun. Okay. Dirty. Dirty. Please, while writing, please take care of spellings. Please take care of spellings. Okay. Dirty. Dirty is an adjective. Okay. जो clean नहीं होता है. The thing which is not clean. That is dirty. Opposite of dirty is clean. Okay. It's also an adjective. Okay. Then at number number 4 is the season. Please write the spelling of decision. 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 Okay. Spelling are right. Decision. Decision क्या होता है? What is decision? के बारे में बोल रहे हैं? फैसला करना. Very nice. कोई फैसला करना. Okay. To decide something. To choose something. To choose some option. Okay. Decision. To choose something. To choose
like
some
I
option.
decide I will
Okay.
come to school.
This is my decision. It was my decision to come to the school. ये मेरा फैसला था. ठीक है? Choose the. It's a noun. Decision is a noun. Decide is a verb. Decide. I have decided. I decided to come to school. Listen, बच्चे. I decided to come to school. Yes. I took decision. I take decision. Okay. Yes. Yes. I like your decision. Okay. So this is an okay. This is a noun. Okay. This is a yes. Then excitement. It is excitement. Please. EXCITE. 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 पहले आप ये लिखोगे. You will write EXCIT. Excite. Then MENT. You will add MENT. 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 Excitement. Excitement. उत्सुकता. ये excitement. जब भी कोई चीज काम मतलब कोई तरह हमारे लिए आता है तो we are quite excited, है ना? We are quite excited. Yesterday also I had explained this the meaning of excitement. Okay. This is also a noun. Excitement. Excited is a verb. Okay. Excite is a verb. Excite, excited, excited. Okay. It's a verb. Okay. इसी verb को जब noun में convert करना तो excitement, उत्सुकता. ठीक है. Being excited, a state. Being excited. ठीक है. Position, excite होने की position को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Excited. Curiosity होना मन में. क्या है? क्या है? That is called excitement. Okay. हाँ जी बच्चे. चलिए नेक्स्ट है प्लेफुल. यस. PLEY and FUL. प्लेफुल. ठीक है. प्लेफुल जो बहुत ही जिसके साथ मतलब कि इंजॉय करता है पर्सन खेलना. ठीक है. प्लेफुल. दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लेफुल. ओके. ये तो मुझे म्यूट ही करना पड़ेगा. मेरे को ये ना ऐसे शोर मचा है. Students, I have muted you. If you want to write, if you want to know anything, you can write in chat box. Yes, बच्चे बोलिए. प्लेफुल जो बहुत ही चंचल सा होता है, बहुत ही खेलता रहता है, शरारती करता रहता है. इसके साथ बोलो जो प्लेफुल मतलब कि बहुत ही खेलता रहता है, शरारती करता रहता है. दैट इज इट्स एन एडजेक्टिव. ओके. हाँ मतलब कि कई बार ये नहीं होता छोटे बच्चे प्लेफुल होते हैं, बड़े बच्चे प्लेफुल. ओके. वेरी शरारती सा, वेरी चंचल सा. ओके. all the time the person is laughing and talking and playing and like this. Huh? Well, yes, Uche. Anji. Next is 7. Number is naughty. Yes. He's very naughty. Mischievous.
You tell us our class is naughty.
Naughty. It's also an adjective. Insist. Insist. Okay. Insist मतलब जिद करना किसी चीज. It's a verb. ठीक है? To create a fuss for something. Then scold. Scold. Done. Okay. Yes. Next is difference. Difference means दोनों में क्या अंतर है? Difference. So what is the different type of quality? What is the difference? Okay. So difference is a noun. Difference is a noun. Yes. Then delicious. Time is less and we have a lot of work to do. Please write properly and please don't commit any mistake. Delicious. Very tasty. Delicious food. My mother cooks delicious food. This is also an adjective. This is a noun. Next is departure. Departure is a noun. Depart is a verb. Depart से बना है departure. Departure word is depart. Depart मतलब दूर होना. Departure मतलब that state. दूर होने की state. ठीक है? एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने की प्रोसेस को, एक जगह को छोड़ने की प्रोसेस को. कभी have you seen marriages card? Marriages card पे लिखा होता है ना departure of बारात. ठीक है? Departure मतलब departure of बारात. बारात का चला ना दूसरी जगह से आगे जाना. एक चीज जगह. ठीक है? You must have seen on the these cards, marriages cards पे देखना.
मैंने थोड़े दिन पहले ही देखा वो जो ज्यादा भी है.
Okay. चलिए, so these are dictation word. I think it's visible to everyone. Classmates, is it visible? Okay, that's good. Then make sentences. We would like to, we should finish it quickly because time will be over. Yes. चलिए, next जो है हमारा. Everyone please make sentences. First है tear. Tear में मतलब yes. No, it's a verb. पढ़ना. Okay, tear पढ़ना. जैसे उसमें था my silly sister tears the pages if I keep the books in front of her. Okay, please don't the pages of my book like this. और कुछ sentence. The baby
teared the pages of my book.
My younger brother tears the pages of my book. You can say like this. Okay. My Don is the second form. My younger brother Don tear Don. Okay. Tears भी लिख सकते हैं. Tears the pages of my books. है ना? Okay. Okay. Then tear as a noun. Tear as a, please write it carefully. Okay. Sometimes you write a word here, you make the difference. Instead of verb, what do? You write a noun or something else. And then your sentence becomes wrong. Okay? Here. It's a noun. So how would you use? How will you use it as a noun? How will you use it as a noun? Yes. As a noun. Tears. You know tears. When we cry. Okay? Tears appear in our eyes. So, the child was shedding tears. आंसू बहा रहा था. Okay, then I don't want to see tears in my mother's eyes. I don't want to see. Okay. Okay. The baby has tears in her eyes. So, this sentence. Right now, you write like this. Okay. Sometimes you commit grammatical mistake. Right now, at home, in homework, you will write. Yes, tears. Yes, I don't want to see tears. Okay. The baby has tears in her eyes. Okay. The baby has tears. Please write carefully. Jaskirat, are you doing? Yes. In her eyes. Okay. Yes. Third is light as noun. Light as noun. Anji, please switch on the light. Okay. Light as a noun. Okay. Light has gone. Just light. Please switch on the light. Okay. So there is no light in my room. Huh? Noun. Here it's noun. Verb. Verb. V-E-R-B. Verb. There is no light in my room. Yes, number 4, light as. Oh, wow. To light a candle, to light a diya. अभी आपने very few days back, 2 days back, on Diwali, you have lighted the candles, you have lighted the diyas. Okay? So, light. Then it is noun. Diwali is known as a festival. Okay? Light, please. Light candle. Please, beta, write properly. Please light a candle. Okay, please light a candle. Okay, then number 5, fun. Please do it quickly. Then fun. So now, fun as noun. Yes, fun as a noun. Huh? Yesterday we had a great fun. है ना? Okay? Yes or no? Yes. On Diwali we had a great fun. You can write like this. We had great fun on Diwali. We had a great fun on Diwali. Okay? We had a great fun on Diwali. Okay? Is it visible? On Diwali. Visible? But I should write here. It's not visible in the screen. I'm going to write Diwali here. Great fun on Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. Okay. Funny. What funny is funny? अब बता सकते क्या होगा?
This one is very
No. It will be adjective or verb. Adjective.
very funny joke.
This is a funny joke. Really? Huh? The movie scene is very funny. She looks funny.
And the
Joker is very funny. Okay. Okay. Okay, the Joker is very funny. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Joker be clown. No problem. Both ways. The Joker is very funny. Yes. So please don't commit any. Number 5, no dictation. Excitement is there, बच्चे. Excitement is there, Yashika. क्या हो गया? Number 5, excitement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. थोड़ा सा हल्का सा. Yes. I think it's visible now. Please, you are requested to pin my screen, बच्चे. Screen को pin कर ले बच्चे. Online student, please. Okay, beta. Just wait. Wait. Beta, I am going to take a round of the class. Everyone, online student, please write it properly. And in the afternoon, I will be sending this work in the group. So from there, you will check the spellings. Again, you will check your spellings. Okay. With the help of slides, which I am going to share in the group. Okay. You will check your spellings from there. Okay. And this is your duty to check it again and again. Okay, bache? Thank you.